Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do some of these calculations. So let's take a look at these formulas that I have put down here. Make sure you have them on your paper also that you're working with. So if you're looking for V, which is the voltage, it's going to be I times R. If you're looking for current, which is I, it's going to be V divided by R. R is the resistance, it'll be V divided by I. And here are the units for all three of them. For voltage, we use V. I will be ampere or amps. And then for resistance is ohm. And here's the symbol for ohm. All right. Now let's go ahead and show you how to do some of these questions here. Okay. It says in a circuit, 0.5 amps is flowing through the bulb. So this is my I. The voltage across the bulb is 4.0, that's my V. What is the bulb's resistance? So you can put down I is 0.5 amps. We're looking for resistance. All right, and your V is 4.0 voltage. Okay, and then R is going to be, this is the formula we're going to use, V divided by I. All right, so you can go ahead and plug 4 in your calculator and divide it by 0.5 and you will get 8 ohms. So it's very simple. I decided to go ahead and give you all the formulas here so that it was easier to do these. Okay, and this is the symbol you can use for resistance, 8 ohms. Let's look at the next one. It says you light a light bulb with 3 1.5 volt batteries. If the bulb has resistance of 10 ohms, this is my resistance and this is my voltage. How much current is flowing through? So we're looking for I. The formula for I is V divided by R. And I will be 1.5 voltage over 10 ohms. You know your answer is going to be in amps. So put 1.5 in your calculator and divide it by 10 and you get 0.15 amps. Okay, super easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions and you're not able to do it. I'll go ahead and solve some for you and let you know. All right, bye.